Well?
Well, what?
What do you think about that?
The end is near! Oh my gosh!
This blizzard has started a lot earlier than they originally said.
Yeah, but it's just snow.
It's just snow, but it's going to be up to 2 feet of snow.
2 feet, I know. Well, we'll get through it like we get through everything else. Another thing we can't control, right?
Look at that, Tuna. You want to go out? Tuna, look.
Don't go out there, my God!
Well, this
Come
is just
back!
this is just the beginning. Come on. Go ahead, honey.
What the hell would you go out for?
What is all that, huh?
Look at my pool cover. I just had that drained and dry yesterday. Right there.
In the words of my dad, we're in a heap of trouble. Heap of trouble, Luna Tuna. But just like that, the ground's covered already. And it's going to snow the rest of the day, all night, and into tomorrow. What do you think about this, Luna? Huh?
These tuna can walk in that, not like the ice.
I know, but, hon, you're gonna have to shovel some of this stuff.
It's all right. As long as I don't have to shovel it all. Right?
What if we get 2 feet?
I was born with 2 feet. 1, 2. But if I have to shovel, I have to shovel. What are we going to do? End of the world. Here it comes. It's all snow. 40 days, 40 nights of snow. Was that the Bible? Oh, that was rain, wasn't it? Get your ark out.
Isn't that beautiful? There is something magical about the snow, isn't there? The sky, all the trees. I do love it. Okay, it's 8 p.m. What do you think?
Got about 5 inches the way it looks by that table.
Look at the gnome. My
Maybe
God, he
6.
looks like a giant, doesn't he?
Yeah. Big snow cone.
This is
Yeah,
crazy.
it's a winter wonderland. Woohoo! Yeah, you're probably maybe 6 inches. Look at the top of the roof of the.
And it's going to do this all night.
Yeah. You're just starting basically for the heavy snow.
Yeah.
Right, Tuna Fetch?
Ooh, it's cold. Oh my God. It is now 10 after 11. And look at it. Oh my God, we're going to wake up tomorrow and the door's going to be like, have 2 feet of snow against it. Look at the pole fence.
Look at that. And it's probably right there, that table is how we always tell. What do you think? 10?
Yeah.
Well, here's the trick. Go ahead, Tuna. Go potty. Come on.
Good luck,
Go
honey
ahead.
bunny.
Go ahead. Come on. Go pee-pee. Go ahead.
She said, heck no. Go ahead, go pee-pee real fast. Hurry up.
You gotta go.
Go pee-pee.
I'm coming with you.
Go pee-pee. Tuna. Oh, she's not even going to do it.
Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Go potty. Oop. Come on. Go potty.
You okay, baby?
Go pee-pee.
Go ahead, go pee-pee. Hurry up.
Come on. Go potty.
Hurry up.
Just go pee-pee there. That's all right.
There you
Good
go.
girl.
Good girl. Oh, my
Woo,
God.
Lordy. Ain't fit for man or beast.
It's the worst since 1996, right?
Come on, Tune. Get up, baby. Come on. Come on.
This is all your fault. What do you got to say for yourself?
Hey, man, I love the snow.
This is crazy.
It is crazy.
You ready, Tuna? Is you ready? Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Crazy.
Oh. Next one, you ready? Go. Go. It's still snowing. Oh, Tuna. Oh, look. She
Oh, poor thing.
just pee wherever you need to, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at this.
That's good 2 feet.
Oh my God, look at my car.
Yep. She's peeing right there, I think.
And pooping, probably.
Nope, just peeing. Sorry, baby.
It's bad, isn't it, honey?
Yeah, pretty deep. Says about 15 and a half, almost 16 inches on this.
Mm.
But this is wet. God, this is wet. You can feel it crunching. It's going to be a bit to push.
Yes, it is.
Might have to take that plow off. It'd be too much. I'll just use the bucket.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at the weight on the trees. I'm surprised we haven't lost a tree or anything. And we still have electric, too.
Yeah. Crushed our crepe myrtles over there, too. And our weeping.
Oh, probably the willow. Wow. Mother Nature, guys. Look at that. That's amazing. It's quiet and peaceful. Everything looks so clean. God bless America. You ready to go out there again? Come on. Luna Tona. It's crazy, huh? It's craziness. Oh.
This is a bomb cyclone, people! Woohoo!
Why are you saying woohoo?
Woohoo! What else are you gonna do? The tree just fell right over there. Neighbor's property, of course, but
Oh, it's still snowing.
Yeah.
Are we going to get much more?
no, dusting. They said.
Is this coming off pretty good?
Yeah.
Is it hard?
Yeah. It's not hard. No, it's very
You
soft.
sound out of breath.
What? This is heart attack snow.
I know, that means don't do so much. Oh my gosh. This is almost as tall as me.
4'9", give or take 2 or 3 inches.
This isn't going to melt until what?
Spring's in what? 20 days? 25 days? 26 days? So.
Holy cow.
See, I got to have a starting point here, so that's why I started here, work my way this way. The cars are a mess. So.
Where's
Where's your what? Tune, I just did that area.
Well, I don't think that'll be too hard. Do you think the leaf blower would blow any of
Nope,
this?
I left it up on the porch, and that's going to be absolutely worthless because it's wet. So I'm taking it in layers. High, middle, low, and then throw. So similar this way, like this, then that. So try to take away the weight and stuff. So
Tune.
poor Tune, come on, baby, get up
Aw.
here. You can take a poop and pee right on the sidewalk. I don't care. Where you going?
Yeah, well, this is really confusing for her. You know what? Maybe.
She's got to run back there to poop.
Yeah. Aw.
Sorry, sweetie.
Maybe you should shovel like a square patch, like near the trees.
Yeah, eventually I'll get there.
Look at that.
Look at it, poor thing. She's going to sleep all day after this one.
All right, well, don't do too much at one time. Take some breaks, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Look, all the snow is gone from the trees.
Since you're out here, you want to check out all the fallen trees?
That fell afterwards. They weren't down earlier.
No, they sort of this morning sort of started collapsing everywhere. Now, are you going to be all right walking in this? Because it's probably up to your freaking hips.
Hey.
I'm not. Just saying, it is. It's pretty deep. Oh, turkey buzzers are back. What? Step in my footprint. Oh, get deep there.
Juan, your footprints are like very far apart.
Right.
Oh, all the bird seed's gone. Didn't you just fill that yesterday before the snow?
End of the day for the storm for the birds.
All right,
Man,
I can't
it's
do.
up to your kneecaps. Look, poor tunas.
It's not my kneecaps. It's my high shins. Oh, poor tuna, look. Oh, tuna fish. See, she shouldn't have came out here. You're going to get stuck. You know, she's 11 years old, going on 12. Yeah, this isn't good for her hips. She's got bare back legs.
Right, she's good.
Oh, look at this mess. Oh, you've got to be kidding.
No. That one collapsed over there and came across here, busted that tree off there. Okay, then this one, I was going to cut this year anyway.
You were?
Yeah. That got taken out by that big one back there.
That big one came down?
Yeah, this big one that fell across here.
Well, why didn't I even hear it?
I don't know. And then,
Well, weren't we lucky they fell that way?
well, that's why we cleared all the trees away from our house. So,
Huh?
and then,
No, I'm talking about that it's in fall and go to the pool.
right. Yeah, I know. And then
Oh my God.
And then this one went down. I think this is the one that started it all right here. This one went down, it fell into that one, knocked that one down, then knocked that one down. But the other one came from the opposite direction and hit that. I still don't know why. I guess the weight of it busted this one, but this was a junk tree anyway.
So I guess we really need to be careful because, well, no, all the snow is basically gone out of the trees.
Right.
That must have been too much weight.
Oh yeah. You can still hear stuff falling out here. Branches and crap that are broken off. But yeah, I'll take that one down fully. You know, thumbs up, hon.
Oh, tuna's pooping. Oh, it's not that bad over there.
No. Got more here. Might as well walk this way. You're halfway around already.
I don't know.
But it melted down pretty good on the driveway and stuff.
Is all that snow good sitting on top of that trailer?
Yeah, it didn't go anywhere, so I'm not getting up there. And our crepe myrtle's got some busted stuff.
Yeah, now the ground don't look so pretty anymore. It's got all these broken branches and...
Well, sorry, Tuna, I didn't see you there.
How's John's,
Well, our weeping snowman got...
John would love this, you know that. He used to love playing in the snow. Oh my God, that's Amy and your brother's tree.
Yeah, I know.
It looks okay.
Back a wreck now. Oh, the weeper, that turned out pretty good.
Okay.
Yep.
That's where John's buried, under that
under the
weeping willow.
Yeah, he's right here.
Right here. His stone will probably be becoming, well, maybe in another month or so. Oh my goodness. It's going to be a
That was
mess.
the last one for the season.
Oh, I pray. It's pretty and all, but it is not convenient, is it?
But by golly, you got a good snowplower in the
By
family. Look at
golly?
that. By golly. And look how clean and spotless your car is, too.
Thank you, dear.
Uh-huh.
You know, you are the best. Everybody needs a Jeff Ridgway.
I'm probably in the top 50 percentile. Maybe.
Top 50?
Yeah.
Don't undercut yourself.
Why?
Because.
So, but that one's over and we're clean. We're ready. Just get it off the roof because it really bothers me having all that weight on the roof of the house. So springtime, we got a lot of cleanup, huh? Wee, wee, wee. Hey everybody. I hope everybody stays safe through this. I know it's heart attack snow. I know it's cold. It's blowing hard. It's probably about 20 degrees, 22 degrees right now.
Oh my God!
You got Terry's hair. It's blowing all the way over there. But everybody stay safe. Have a good day. Good life.